had the most perfect day for you. A warm hello in every sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for the contest that lies ahead. And this must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. He's had a goal! He's pulled off a fine save!
Fernando Torres is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
They've played it short. Hit into the middle. He's there to get rid. Cruyff displaying his defensive capabilities there. That's no striker's tackle.
You have to admire commitment like that, because he could easily ignore that and just kind of walk around and let others do all the chasing, but instead he looks as if he relishes the chance to dig in for his team here.
Maldini. Barcelona yet to have a shot on target. Maldini. Vieira. And it's from Mario. Messi. Hit long and direct. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Messi. Mbappe. Messi. Maradona. He's through. Torres! Casillas trying to get there. Cristiano Ronaldo crosses. Maldini. Still, rather frustratingly, it is 0-0. Cruyff. Oh, he's found him in space, going for goal! Goal! Barcelona! Well, you've got to say, the odds on him missing from there were very slim.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they've paid the price and deserved to. It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
Maldini. Messi. Barcelona got their goal at the end of the first half, and it's 1-0. Mbappe. Roberto Carlos. And we hit half-time. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but yet it still had its moments. It ultimately produced just one goal. More than decent game up to now.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They work tirelessly for me.
Barcelona are going to have the lead in a tight old game. Half-time, 1-0. If you're just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half. Messi looks to dink one in. Van Dijk. Vieira. Van Dijk. Thiago. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Roberto Carlos. It'll be a throw-in. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Messi.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
This isn't the time to talk about risks now, Jim, is it? They just have to hurl everything at it and hope for a break.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
Azar. Your impression so far, Jim?
They're ahead, but they're not playing as if they are. There seems to be more of an emphasis on protecting their lead than adding to it. It's all gone a little timid.
Azar. Maldini gets it back. Ball forward. What does he try from here? And it's Vieira. Oh, good interception. Messi. Van Dijk. Roberto Carlos. Hazard. Out to the left it goes. Cristiano Ronaldo. Crosses it in low. He's managed to get himself offside.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
Nedved. Just brushed off the ball there. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Now it's Torres. Oh, he's broken through.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to rescue the situation, and it needs to be any time now, really.
Beckham. Hazard. So that's it. It is all over. What a game. End to end, it flew by, and in the end, it all came down to just the odd goal. How do you look back on the game then, Jim?
Yeah, clean sheets and hard grind will help you go places, and they have a resolve that'll envy many.
Well, that's the lot for now. Thanks to you, Jim.